Welcome, fellow adventurers. Ever found yourself gazing at the stars, or perhaps flipping through an old photo album and wishing you could just step back or maybe forward? That's the magic of time travel in movies and TV, isn't it? It's more than just a plot device. It's a profound exploration of what it means to be human, to make choices, and to understand the ripple effects of our actions. Think about it. We get to witness history unfold, not as dry facts in a textbook, but as vibrant lived experiences. We see the triumphs and the struggles, the moments that shaped our world, all through the eyes of characters who are just as awestruck, or perhaps terrified as we might be. And then there's the tantalizing glimpse into the future. What wonders await us? What challenges will we face? These stories invite us to ponder our own potential, to dream bigger, and to consider the legacy we're building right now. But time travel narratives also serve as powerful mirrors. They force us to confront the what-ifs. What if I had taken that other path? What if I had said something different? These fictional journeys often highlight the preciousness of our present moment and the importance of cherishing the people and experiences we have. We can learn from the past and strive to create a better future. It's a journey that's both thrilling and deeply introspective, offering us a unique perspective on our own place in the grand tapestry of time. Thank you for joining me on this thought-provoking exploration.